Welcome to the beautiful province of Capiz, known as the seafood capital of the Philippines. My name is Franklin Lubusta, and I'll be your tour guide for today. Capiz is home of the vibrant Rojas City, where rich history, delicious seafood, and warm hospitality comes together. From historic landmark and heritage churches to scenic coastal view, there is so much to explore and enjoy. As we begin to our tour, I encourage everyone to stay with the group, take photos, and immerse yourselves in the culture and story of the wonderful place. Are you ready? Let's start our Capiz adventure. Good day, everyone. Welcome to Santa Monica Parish Church. We are now here at the front of the church, and did you know the Santa Monica Parish Church is one of the most remarkable heritage churches in the Philippines? It is famous for the Dakong Linganay, or the Big Bell, known as the largest church bell in Asia. And let's go back in time. This church was originally designed by Father Miguel Magua in 1774. Although it was heavily damaged by the typhoon in 1875, it was rebuilt by the community, making it a symbol of faith and resilience. And as you look around, you notice the wall is made of coral stone and European style arches and columns. It shows Spanish influence. Now for the highlight, the Dakong Linganay. It was made from 70 sacks of coins donated by the locals. It measures about 7 feet wide and 5 feet tall, and the weight is around 23,000 pounds. The original bell is in the belfry, while the replica is displayed nearby for visitors. And our first destination. Feel free to take photos and enjoy the beauty and history of this place. Thank you. We are now here at the second destination. Right in the front of us is the Capiz provincial capital, located in the heart of Rojas City. Take a moment to admire its beautiful neoclassical design. Notice the tall columns, elegant windows, and timeless structure. Now, what do you think happened inside? That's right. This is where the provincial government operates and important decisions for Capiz are made. Above the entrance, you will see the official seals of Capiz, along and with an eagle, a symbol of strength, leadership, and protection, representing how the government serves and watches over the people. This place is not just for governance, it's also a popular spot for visitors to relax, take photos, and appreciate this history. This is end to our second destination. Feel free to take a photos later. Any question before we continue to our tour? Good day, everyone. We are now here to our last destination. As you can see in front of you, this is the Suhot Cave. This calm turquoise water is a natural pool known for its refreshing and crystal clear quality. This place is perfect for relaxation, reflection, and connecting with nature. If you kindly follow me, you'll notice the stone steps leading to the small cave entrance. This cave adds a sense of mystery and history to the area, making it a favorite spot for visitors who love exploration and adventure. On your left and right, you'll observe the natural rock walls covered with moss and plants, showing how rich and alive this ecosystem is. Please take a moment to enjoy the peaceful surroundings, the sound of water, the refreshed air, and the shades from the tree. Friendly reminder, please be careful when walking on the steps as they may be slippery, and kindly help us preserve the cleanliness of this place by not leaving any trash. Now feel free to take photos and enjoy the scenery, and if allowed, you may even dip your feet into the cool water. Alright everyone, that's bring us to the end of our tour. I hope you enjoyed exploring this beautiful place and learning is a little more about its natural charm and significance. On behalf of our team, thank you for your time, cooperation, and for being such wonderful guests today. We truly appreciate your visit. We hope to see you again on your next adventure. Have a safe trip and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you and goodbye everyone. Bye bye.